What's up, y'all? So I'm about to a DIY project real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit behind the scenes. Of course, I'm recording a reel, so I'm probably not gonna be talking at all, so just watch. Girl, still in it. Oh. Well, your feet. It's fine. Perfect.
My frappe.
Girl.
You want it all the way from the top?
No, like where the curtain starts. Up to the bottom of the couch. I think that's gonna be like a perfect width for height.
Yes.
If we don't have a couch, then that's where it's gonna be.
Well,
you're too short too, because you have to go on the couch. So.
Well, the nose that she in the shower. Never got it.
Does it look too short? Is it all the way on the road?
No, I thought I got it. Sorry.
But
You want it like right up here?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's
I thought you going just the thumb back to the top.
that's they are the same size, right?
talk about it's a skirt.
This is what the fashion icons be doing. All I need is like some flower shoes. Some flower. Hey girl.
Hey y'all. It's the next day. I wanted to show you guys an update on the paint job. So this is the first one. As you can see, it has a whole lot of texture, honey. It's looking a little dark gray, which is fine. I wanted it to be matte black, so I am gonna do another coat and I'm gonna put less of the, you guys can see that? I'm gonna put less of the baking soda this time because the texture is there. I just need the color. Like I want it to be like this. You see, it's kind of gray. And then here's this one. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. It's so stinking cute. I love them. I'm gonna do the second coat later tonight. I just got off work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get settled. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and settle in, find something quick to eat. Because the last time I ate was like 11 o'clock. It's now 5:30. So let's find a snack. But I am the snack.